Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And I think you've realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Gemini with, so the Google Assistant. But how to power off the phone? For that you will need next to the power button as well the volume down button. So long press these both buttons together and then you're finally at the power off menu. Just confirm a power off and again a power off and the phone will turn off. And there's a second way to power off the phone, but I just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that they're here at the control center. And the part of the control center is here the symbol to power off. Just tap here, confirm twice on power off, and the phone will shut down. But there's also a way to set up here the power button or the side button, as Samsung has renamed it, as a real power button. Let me show you how. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Now you need to scroll down here to the point Advanced Features and you will find the point Side Button. And you can choose what should happen if you long press this side button. So actually we are waking up the Google Assistant, so Gemini with, but in the future we want to have the power off menu. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you're immediately at the power off menu and just confirm twice then on power off and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.